Good morning everybody. So we are here in this Chairman's Club lounge. So you can see there are so many different flavors of the shakes, lots of fruits, and now I'm trying to make my breakfast, and I should say this is the world's best breakfast. I'm adding my water, my rebuild strength. This is the way me and my husband have our breakfast. Oops. 2 scoops. And I'm adding protein powder. So there are so many flavors over here. So I'm taking my favorite orange cream, adding 3 spoons. And now the best part is adding these fresh berries. This is strawberry, and trust me, these fruits are so delicious, so yummy. And my personal favorite, to add lots of strawberries and also the blueberries. Look at them, they are full of antioxidants, rich in antioxidants, and it's going to be so delicious and so yummy. You can add as much as possible because these are fruits. And last, add lots of ice. It tastes more better and tastes more yummier. And let's blend it. And now you can see the city view also, so beautiful. And the shakes are getting blended. It looks so yum. Believe me or no, we are having this shake from last 21.5 years. The world's best shake, better than the regular food that we are eating and having. I not only have it, I also give it to my husband and to my 2 children, and we are having this breakfast from last 21.5 years. And now let's pour them in a glass.
What is it? This process, voting process.
Yum, the burst of antioxidants, good nutrition, very yummy and very tasty. Cheers to good life.